Hi guys, doing and welcome to another ARC Garage video. If you want to see more Alfa Romeo related content, make sure to hit like, share and subscribe. Today we're going to be replacing the air filter on this Alfa Romeo GT 1.8 twin spark, and I'm going to show you how to do exactly that in a few easy steps. The first thing you gotta do is locate your air filter box, which is this thing right here. The box cover is actually held in by two clips, one on each side. This one right here on the left side is easily visible. This one on the right, it's kind of harder to see, but it's also harder to reach as well. All you have to do is unclip them to actually separate the cover itself. Now you can separate the cover by pulling it upwards, but you still won't have enough room to remove the air filter. To remove the filter, you will first have to remove the cover. I'm gonna have to take my flathead screwdriver and undo this factory clamp right here. Now you can remove the cover completely and you have the full access to the air filter. Remove your old filter. As you can see, it's fairly dirty, but you can't actually see how dirty it is because of this spongy part right here. But if we compare it to the new filter, you can see that the difference is quite obvious. Now I'm gonna install the new filter. Make sure it's seated in well. Now before you put the cover back on, pay attention to these plastic clips right here. They have the designated spot right there on the bottom of the box, and those two clips have to go in properly. Now you can install the clips back on, and you are basically done with the cover. Right, put the hose back in its place. I'm actually gonna use these old school wire cutters to put the clamp back on. After you install the clamp, you are basically done. That would be it for this video. If you liked it, hit like button and support our channel by subscribing.